little lady, hello.
Who's that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
No,
Seymour!
it's Seymour. It's
Oh my God!
so quickly, Audrey, too. This match is talking to you.
It's so delicious!
Believe it, baby. It's ours.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax, sweetheart. Gee, can you do me a favor?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Outrageous. I'm a clown, honey. Come on and give me a drink. Hey, little lady, midnight. You know a drink is straight. Don't need no master, no eye. Don't need no twister,
Yes! No! That's the strangest thing just now. He said that orange and the squishy were already inside.
It's true. I did. I fed them to me.
And it's made so big and strong and you're so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you. Never to you.
I want you to see more.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me something so we can live and bring all the wonderful things you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I make a plan, what if our other plans? Some way we'll be together. You wash my tender mind. You smell my sweet perfume.